Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you will want to press the power button and volume up at the same time, which will bring up your boot options. From them, you want to hold power off, and as you can see, it changes into reboot to safe mode with a quick message. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications that you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. So we're going to click on OK. And this will basically initiate that reboot. And when the device boots back up, it will enter automatically the safe mode. So let's give it a moment. So now that the device is back up, you can see we have a watermark stating that we are now in safe mode. And in this mode, only the pre-installed application will function. So any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled. And that also actually includes widgets, which you can see right here. So this was, I believe, the Google search right here. Now on the other page, we have some applications that don't work in this mode, and they become basically transparent and grayed out, as you can see right here. And if you even try to open them up, it will get you this pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. So the purpose of this mode is usually if you have created, or maybe you are creating an application as an example, and something went wrong, and this application is now completely screwing around how your device functions. Maybe you can't get rid of it. You could boot your phone into safe mode, and from here, just get rid of it. You'd have the uninstall button right here, and you can get rid of it. Now, applications like this don't actually show up in this menu right here, so if they are not on the home screen, you can find them under settings and applications or apps, and all apps right here. And you can find them and manage them from here. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, again, hold the power button and volume up to get the boot options, and from here, select Restart. And as you can see, we're now back in normal mode. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.